Hello, today we will guide you through how to schedule meetings with HubSpot. To begin, open HubSpot and make sure you are on the main homepage. This is your starting point for accessing the tools you need. If you have just signed in, you will usually land here automatically. Take a moment to let the page fully load so all navigation options are visible. Next, move your mouse over the Sales option in the left-hand navigation menu. You do not need to click right away if the menu expands on hover. This area contains several sales-related tools, and the goal here is to locate the meeting scheduling feature. If your navigation panel appears collapsed, expand it first so you can clearly see the labels. Once the sales menu is open, click on Meeting Scheduler. This will take you to the section of HubSpot designed for creating and managing booking links. It is where you set up pages that allow others to schedule time with you based on your availability. When the Meeting Scheduler page opens, click Get Started. This option appears when you are setting up scheduling for the first time or when HubSpot is prompting you to begin the configuration process. After selecting it, you will move into the setup area for your meeting links. From there, look to the top right corner and click Create Scheduling Page. This is the button that starts a new scheduling link. HubSpot offers different meeting types depending on how you want invitees to book time, so this step is where you begin defining the format of the meeting experience. Next, choose One-on-One. This option is ideal if you want invitees to book directly with a single person. It is one of the most common scheduling formats and works well for sales calls, consultations, demos, or check-ins. Selecting this option tells HubSpot that the meeting should be tied to one host's availability. After that, follow the on-screen procedure to complete your scheduling page setup. HubSpot will guide you through the remaining configuration, which may include details like the meeting name, availability, duration, and booking preferences. As you work through those screens, review each setting carefully so your scheduling page reflects exactly how and when you want people to book with you. Before finishing, it is a good idea to double-check the final setup to make sure everything looks correct. A clear scheduling page helps avoid confusion and makes the booking process easier for your contacts. That's it. You now know how to start scheduling meetings with HubSpot.